Hey, how's it going, everyone? This is Chris from Feldmann Imports. Today we're taking a look at a 27 G550. This one's black. Underneath there's a V8 twin turbo pushing out 416 horsepower and 450 pounds of torque. This one is the sports package, which is going to give you 19-inch 5-spoke AMG wheels, brushed aluminum running boards, V8 badging on the side, black leather interior with a Designo light brown poplar wood trim, sunroof, trailer hitch, clean set of floor mats, fold down rear seats, an extra spare, memory seats, illuminated door sill, steering wheel controls. Let's go ahead and start it up. Rear view backup camera, navigation, hard keys for media display, heated and cooled seats, dual climate controls, 7-speed automatic transmission, multi-contour seats. This G-Wagon has 52,986 miles. Carfax and service records available online. If you'd like to view more photos of this G550, check out feldmanimports.com.